Hey, what's up guys, Amlan here. So today in this video we are going to see top 6 application for the month of May. Yes, these are all the application that I'm going to be showing you today in this video. So as always, link for downloading all the application will be available in the video description, so don't forget to check that out. And with that being said, let's give this video a like and let's start the video. So kicking off the list, we have this application known as Minimalist Wallpapers. So this is one of those applications that you have to use to understand how beautiful this application is. So this application itself contains some beautiful minimal wallpaper. Swiping from the right, you get different categories. As you can see, there are different categories like minimalist, abstract, animals and birds, architecture, digital background, and I use this wallpaper time to time, and this wallpaper application contains some of the most beautiful wallpapers, and also time to time this application gets updated regularly from Google. So as always, links will be in the description, so don't forget to check this out. So next up we have Mr. Phone. So this application itself is a very much productive application. So opening up the application, you get the search bar and option to compare any of those two devices. So this application is basically an application where you can search about any of the smartphones. So as the name suggests, you just type on any device on the search and it will give you the details for that application. Let me just search for any of the device. As you can see, these are all the details about this device, and not only the details about this device, and you also get the summary of the device, specs, stories, and lot of reviews which are there hanging around in the web. We can get those things in this application itself, and along with that you get the best buy link option with this application. Coming to the compare option, you put a device name on the first compare list, you put a device name on the second compare list, and you get this detailed comparison list with in terms of operating system, in terms of screen size, in terms of dimension, weight, resolution, and pixel density. That gives you a better idea which device to pick up if you're looking for a smartphone. And also below we have different tabs, this home, latest, top charts, feeds, and event. So basically by going to the event, you can see how many events are there. You can see basically what are the events in the nearest city that you're living in. And also I like this application very much. If you're like me and want to know more about the latest device, this application is a must have for you. So as always, links are in the description, so don't forget to check that out. So next up we have Screener. So this is the application itself. So if you take screenshot a lot in your smartphone, this is a very handy and nifty application for you. So opening up the application, as you can see, there are different frames that you get. As you can see, I have this Moto G 2016 frame in my phone, and also you can download different frames for Apple iPhone, Asus Zenfone, Google Nexus 4, and from different smartphone vendors you can download different frames. So what this application allows you to do, so you basically take a screenshot and you can essentially put that screenshot into different frames. So this application will definitely help you take your screenshot game to the next level. So if you're kind of a person who sends this screenshot a lot to your friends or colleagues, so this application is a must-have application for you. So as always, links for downloading this application will be in the YouTube description, so don't forget to check that out. So the next application on the list is Universal Copy. So opening up the application, what you have to do, you have to pull this notification trigger on, and there you go. There are some places from where we are not allowed to copy the text, but if you need to copy those text, guess what, you can do that with the help of this application. What you have to do, you just have to go into the place where you want to copy that text and pull down the notification tray and click on this Universal Copy, and there you go, and you tap on any of the text on the screen and it will allow you to copy the text from the screen itself. And the best part about this application is not only you can copy, you can share immediately those texts to any of your chats and social media. So this is the best part about this application. So this application from me gives a huge thumbs up. So definitely, as always, the links will be in the description, so don't forget to check this out. Next application on the list is URL Shortener. So as you can see, this is the application itself. So opening up the application, you get an option to paste your long URL here. So this application does what it says. So basically you go to any website application and you find this long URL. So basically if you want to share this long URL to your friends, it will be, you know, it will be a clutter all the time. So basically what essentially you want to do, you just copy this URL and put that URL into this application itself here. So after pasting this long URL, you have to tap in here and it will give you a short URL like gwo.gl and slash this thing. So basically now you get your short URL. You can definitely copy this URL from the application itself and you can share this URL to any of your friends and chats that you have, and all the time it is very much useful to me. So as always, links are in the description, so definitely check this application out. So the last application on the list is Terrible Tiny Stories. As you can see, this is the application itself, and opening the application itself, it's a very beautiful and nice application, I would say. So this application, you know, gives you this short little stories which are, you know, not long stories, and these are, you know, maximum this can goes up to 3 or 4 paragraphs, and these are, you know, these stories are beautiful. And you once start using this application, you once start reading one of those stories and you keep reading on and on, and this is one of those applications I use every day, and all of these stories are beautiful, and you can just swipe left or right to, you know, browse through different stories. And the best part about this application itself, it will allow you to pin up any of the stories to allow you to read that story later. At the same time, you can, you know, share any of the story with your social media. Like as I'm tapping on the share option, it will give you the option to share this story with your best friends. Like you can share this story with your messenger, Twitter, you can tweet a story, you can share the stories to WhatsApp, and a lot. So this application definitely gets a thumbs up from me, and as always, links will be in the description, so definitely check this one out. So that wraps it up for this video. If you like what you saw, consider giving this video a huge thumbs up and also subscribing to this channel. And that's it for this video, guys. You know, thanks a lot for watching this video. As I said earlier, that all the download links for this application will be in the video description, so definitely check those out. So thanks all of you for watching the video. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.